G'day guys, hope all is well. I just want to take you through and give you a bit of an update on what I'm looking at right now because it's getting to the crunch time as it stands. Taking it for a quick top 10, working through from Bitcoin. Bitcoin's had a bounce. I'm not really looking at Bitcoin for any trading right now until we break down through this support level right here. That's when I'll officially be bearish if we actually have a proper push down through there. It looks like we're starting to consolidate on Bitcoin, but across the market we are still seeing some pullbacks, which is what we've been waiting for. Now, if you're familiar with the crypto cradle strategy that I teach, you'll note that we've pulled back into the cradle zone. We have a bearish candle right now. It's setting up. We've got to wait for that candle to close. Good convergence there, and again onto the 8 hour here. You'll notice it pulled back to that 10 period. Just tapped it. Look, tapped it, moved, tapped it, moved, tapped it. Good convergence. No reason why it won't move. Once again, if you know the rules, this is the sort of trade that I'm looking for right now. Bitcoin Cash, not so much, just because there's divergence there. EOS, again, bit of divergence, not one for my radar. Cardano, it is convergent. The candle, don't want it to get too much bigger than what it is right now. Lumen, not one for me at all because it's maintained this consolidation range and it has held up quite well. Neo, the only issue I've got with Neo is there is some divergence here, so I'm happy to leave that alone as well. IOTA pulling back into the cradle zone, but again, divergent right there. A lot of these markets are quite overextended. We need to keep mind on that on the daily time frame. Ripple, again, divergent. For those that have been short since the short opportunity up here with the Bitcoin breakout, stop loss there. Stop should be roughly here if that's the way you want to trade it. You know the rules. Could potentially, if we do see it dip a bit further, could potentially move to stop loss to this point here. We'll have to wait and see. A little bit of time needs to pass. And again, with Litecoin, bit divergent there. So to brief, Ethereum's the one I'm really looking at the moment. Nice little bearish candle right there in the sell zone. As you see, we didn't get a cradle here for a trade, didn't get one here either. This could be the opportunity that we're waiting for. So if you know the crypto cradle rules, this is something that you want to be looking at. Those that are in my group have already been alerted. Everyone understands, but I wanted to let the major, like everybody else, know as well. Really important to keep an eye on that. We've got some time still. Take your time, watch through, and if that's something that you're familiar with, then it's one to keep a very close eye on, guys. So that's all. I wanted to give you a quick little update now, guys. Have a great day. Let's see how this trading session unfolds. Don't forget, we are quite extended here on these daily time frames, so we may see a bigger pullback. However, that being said, we do have the opportunity starting to set up right here, depending on how this candle closes. It might be a good idea, because we are so extended, to maybe look to minimize risk if you are to trade within these environments and very overextended. That being said, trade your plan. Focus on what you know. You've created a trading plan. You know the strategy. If you know the strategy, stick to what you know and trade well and responsibly, guys. Have a great day. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.